Welcome to day 7 of my holiday card series. If this is your first visit, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you found your way over to my corner of YouTube. Please make yourself at home, and I invite you to check out more of my content. For those of you returning, I truly appreciate you being here. I love spending every minute with you here on my channel. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video, and you won't miss out on any of the crafty goodness. Today I'm creating a heat foiled monochromatic card. These cards are really great if you don't really want to fuss over colors. Let's get into the card. I've been playing with the Glimmer heat system recently. Now, I did a video a while ago about my thoughts on this system and the Cricut as a foil system. Since then, I've had a little bit more time to use the Glimmer, and I have to admit I'm rather loving it more and more. To start off, I went ahead and grabbed a tealish colored piece of cardstock and ink blended over one of the corners just to give the color a little bit more depth and variation. Don't be afraid to use ink on your colored cardstock. Ink blending isn't just for white cardstock, but it can really step up your colored cardstock too. I used the colors Uncharted Mariner, Chipped Sapphire, and Black Soot. I'm only adding a little ink to a single corner and blending it out. Next, I went ahead and heat foiled some Snowflakes from Pinkfresh Studios. This hot foil plate is called Snowflakes, and it's a rather large design. I offset it off my panel. Over the side, I ink blended. I found that I prefer the look of ink blending first and then foiling over than the other way around. I just can't get the foil to look as shiny after I ink blend over it, but do what you prefer. I attached my heat plate and foil to my card panel using washi tape and then placed the entire sandwich of materials onto my Glimmer system with the plate down. When the indicator said it was hot enough, I removed the platform and sent it through my die cut machine. Now look at that shine. I used the foil called Prism. I love how this comes out. Don't throw away your leftovers either. You can use that for another card. I had a slight amount of overfoiling on my panel, so I quickly cleaned it up using a sand eraser. Then I cut down my panel by about a quarter around the edges and mounted it to my card base of the same color with foam tape. For the sentiment, I took the easy way out. Many companies have a selection of pre-foiled sentiments that are die cut and ready to go. The one I chose It's the most wonderful time of year is also from Pinkfresh Studios. I added foam tape to the back of the sentiment and attached it to the card front. Lastly, I added some silver pearls to the front for some added shine and elegance. Now, off camera, I did go back and add some splatter with perfect pearls for a whimsical snowy look. I did shield the sentiment when I did this. And that's it for this card. How easy was that? I love the way the light catches the snowflakes. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. I do love hearing from you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have an amazing night and life treats you kindly. I'll see you next time for day 8 of the holiday card series. See you soon. Bye.